Ladies and gentlemen, dear Ireland, please remember your voice matters. From Ireland's vote at the United Nations to the words in your media, from your thoughts here in Dublin to every home in the global Irish community around the world. That's millions of people who can influence hundreds of millions more. When the most powerful apply pressure, the global community helps guide that pressure in the right direction. Just as there is no capital in the world, unaware of what St. Patrick's Day is, there should be no capital that does not know that the Irish, together with the Ukrainians and many other nations, are united for a real peace.